Engaging. Hey tech lovers, ever wondered how the wheels of smart manufacturing spin faster and smoother? Well, today I'm diving into the world of Hybrid SuiteApp and its game-changing role in smart manufacturing for NetSuite users. Let's get into it. Hybrid SuiteApp isn't just another tool. It's a powerhouse that integrates seamlessly with NetSuite, leveraging both cloud and on-premise capabilities. This means manufacturers can enjoy the best of both worlds: real-time data, efficient processing, and yes, enhanced security. But what does this actually look like on the factory floor? Imagine this: every piece of equipment, every sensor, and every machine connected, communicating in real time. This isn't just about automation, it's about creating a symphony of efficiency and precision. Now let's talk scalability. Hybrid SuiteApp scales with your business. Starting small? No problem. Experiencing a surge? It's got you covered. This flexibility is crucial in the manufacturing sector where demand can spike unexpectedly. And the best part? Decision-making gets a turbo boost. With integrated analytics, managers and executives can see what's happening at a granular level. This means they can make informed decisions quickly, reducing downtime and boosting productivity. But Hybrid SuiteApp isn't just a boon for the big players. Small to mid-sized enterprises also stand to gain a lot from this technology. It democratizes high-level data management and analytics, previously accessible only to the giants of the industry. So whether you're a startup garage or a sprawling industrial complex, the Hybrid SuiteApp, tailored for NetSuite, is something you might want to look into. It's not just about keeping up with the times, but being ahead of the curve. Excited about the possibilities? I thought you might be. Stay tuned for more tech insights and be sure to dive deeper into how technology is reshaping our world. Until next time, keep innovating, keep manufacturing smart.